Daniel's friends and their best friends were thrown into the fire. Daniel's friend said to his best friend, the king will make the fire higher. Talking about Nebuchadnezzar, he wants us dead for sure. Throw us in the fire, because my God is higher. He'll turn this 3 into 4. Talking about Yahweh, Yahweh, my God will save us for sure. Throw us in the fire and turn it higher. He'll turn this 3 into 4. Hey, you like that? Okay, good. Oh, boo! Anyway, I am so glad that you came back. Even though I have the cheesiest songs ever, I am so glad that you came back. Do you remember what happened yesterday? Yesterday was a happy day because Daniel was able to reveal the dream to the king. God gave the dream to Daniel, and the king heard it, and the king believed it, and Daniel and his 3 friends were all saved, and we did happy dance. Happy, happy, happy. Oh, yeah. Okay, all right, never mind. Enough happiness, but I have some bad news. Unfortunately, the king went back to his evil, wicked ways, and he forgot what God had done for him. And he built this huge, obnoxious, and I know obnoxious, okay? He built this huge, obnoxious idol thing that we're supposed to bow down to. And I cannot believe it, but I have got to get out of here before that music sounds. I'll see you later.
We have summoned you all, the satraps, prefects, governors, advisors, treasurers, judges, magistrates, and all other provincial officials to this dedication of the King's golden image.
I have commanded all peoples, men of every nation and every tongue, that so whenever they hear the sound of the trumpet, the harp, the electric guitar, and the cowbell, they will immediately fall down and worship the image that I, King Nebuchadnezzar, have set up. If someone does not fall down and worship the image I have set up, I will immediately have them thrown into the blazing furnace.
Look at it.
They're not.
Sure, I'll take my watch.
You guys can get up now.
O King, live forever.
Is it not true, O King, that you decreed that whoever hears the music of the harp, the guitar, the harmonica, the banjo, the music of ZZ Top, that they should bow before the idol, and whoever does not would be thrown into the blazing furnace?
Ah, yeah. That was my decree, all right.
Well, far be it from me, O Kingy Poo. I hate to give you bad news, but those Hebrews that you appointed over Babylon, they didn't pay you any mind.
That's right, old Kingy Wingy. They neither serve your God nor worship the idol you have set up.
What? That's impossible. I am the king. My decree shall be upheld. Who is this that you speak of?
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Have Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego brought to me at once.
Thank you for letting me know. Anytime.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Is it true that you do not serve my gods, nor do you fall down and worship the image that I have set up? That's impossible. I am the king, and that is my decree. Now I tell you once again, whenever you hear the music of the horn, the piano, the electric guitar, the music of ZZ Top, if you fall down and worship my idol, then all will be well. If you do not, I will have you thrown into the blazing furnace.
O King Nebuchadnezzar, we do not need to defend ourselves before you on this matter.
If we are thrown into the blazing furnace, our God will surely save us from it.
And our God will rescue us from your hand, O King.
But even if he does not, we want you to know, O King, that we will never serve your gods, nor worship the silly image you have set up. We are committed to serving our God.
Our God is the one and only God.
Guards, have the furnace heated 7 times hotter. That's really, really hot. Have them tied up and thrown in the furnace. Now. Let's take a look. Did we not just have only 3 men placed in the blazing furnace?
Certainly, O king.
Well, I look and I see 4. 4 men in the blazing furnace. And the 4th looks like an angel of God. Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, come out here at once. Servants of the Most High God. Look at you. You're unharmed. Not even hair is burned on his head. You don't smell of smoke. You smell of something. Praise be to the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, for only their God can save in this way. Now, I make this decree. If anyone says anything against their God, I will have them immediately cut into pieces and their houses burned into rubble. Praise be to the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Oh, can it be? Has the king really changed this time? Oh, I am so excited. We've got the party. You know that there's always a party. Yes, this is so exciting. Oh, let's shake. Let's shake, dude. Shake. Get up and shake. We're going to shake.
Just can't believe where my life was at. All that I know is my heart was broken. I don't ever want to go back. Ain't no explanation how I saw the light. He found me and he set me free and he brought me back to life. Blame it on the transformation. changed down to the core. This love is real and I can't sit still. Before me, not shame no more. Great God Almighty, don't change.
Come on, Olivia, let's dance.
Great God Almighty, He don't change. You gotta shake, 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 like you're shake. Brand new look
Who's
so
next?
good on you.
Who wants to shake?
Like you've been
Nicholas,
shake.
you want to shake?
Come on and shake.